Here today, going to be opening up a hobby box, master box of Topps Finest Star Wars. Pretty awesome, 2018. You have it's like regular baseball finest and stuff, where you have 2 hits per master box, 1 hit per mini box. There's 2 mini boxes in there. The one of the hits is likely to be a medallion card, and the medallion cards in this are actually really awesome. They're lightsabers, so I'm really wanting to actually make a set of the lightsaber cards because they're really cool, and hopefully I get one so I can show you what they look like. So let's go ahead and open mini box number 1. Got these from my local hobby shop, S&P Sports Plus. Very awesome place to go. Go check them out. Tell them Sandy Frank sent you. Alright, so let's see what we get in mini box number 1. See, those are all thinner packs, so there's probably not a medallion in there because the medallions are pretty thick. I do want to show the odds here. Alright, so let's see what we get in mini box number 1. Okay, so we got Plo Koon. Card design is pretty cool. There's what the backs look like. Got Rose Tico. Got Tebow. Well, we got a nice auto out of 10. Laura Dern, Vice Admiral Holdo. So we got our big auto in the first pack. Darn it. I was hoping that that would have been a little more dramatic. But that is awesome. 8 out of 10. Vice Admiral Holdo, Laura Dern auto. Very cool. And Anakin Skywalker. And I think I have a mag. I'm going to go ahead and get that in a mag. Not even mess with putting a sleeve on it. I've done really good at getting some nice Laura Dern autos for my collection. Awesome. There's the back. So, everything else now is going to be pure bonus. So, let's see what we get. Pack number 2. Got Wicket. We got Imperial Stormtrooper. Hera Syndulla. Captain Panaka Gold. That's nice. 21 out of 50. The refractors are beautiful. The color looks really great in this stuff. And we got Margot. This is part of the Solo subset. There's a Rogue One subset and a Solo subset. So we got Panaka. Alright, next pack. Alright, this pack we got Dr. Cornelius Evazan, C-3PO, Bib Fortuna. There's a blue parallel, 60 out of 150 of Hera Syndulla and FX7. That's I think that's a droids subset. Very cool with the star background there. Alright, next pack. Admiral Pyatt. General Veers. Callus. There's a green Wicket Warwick. 79 out of 99, and Mon Mothma. Alright, next pack. So you can tell you get lots of color cards. Numbered cards and stuff. Mon Mothma. Poggle the Lesser. Sabine Wren. Shore Trooper. So this is the Rogue One set. And Weasel, which is the solo set. Alright, so we got Tessek, Wedge Antilles, Jabba the Hutt, Mon Mothma, Refractor, and 8D8 droid. Alright, let's go to the next box. The next mini box here. Oh yeah, see that how thick that bottom pack is? I guarantee you that's got one of these lightsaber cards in it. So save that pack for last. Yeah, it's kind of heavy. We got DJ, Clone Trooper, Chief Chirpa, Anakin Skywalker, and Rala Kelly. Alright, next pack. Ayla Secura, Kit Fisto, Obi-Wan Kenobi, Blue Bib Fortuna Refractor, and Droideka. That is 36 out of 150. Alright, next pack. Qui-Gon Jinn, Snoke, Watto, and there's an orange 2 out of 25 Sabal with the orange, looks cool, and Bail Organa. That's pretty sweet. Alright, next pack. We got Zuckuss, Maz Kanata, General Hux, a Death Trooper. The Rogue One cards look really cool. And Enfys Nest. Those look cool too. Even though they're solo. Pretty cool card design. Darth Maul, Chopper, BB-8, Padme Amidala, and a probe droid. Alright. Now, for the really thick pack here. Yeah, see, look how thick that card is. I've got a Greedo and a Callus Refractor. And Luke Skywalker, 99 out of 99. That's pretty awesome. But look at that. It's a lightsaber medallion. They're really cool, and they're based on the different lightsabers. Like, this is Luke Skywalker's lightsaber from A New Hope. So that is really cool. I have thick card sleeves here. You know, people sometimes get irritated with Star Wars for having medallions and stuff, but this is actually a really cool idea for like medallion cards, like a manufactured relic. Awesome. And what an amazing box. Vice Admiral Holdo out of 10, and a Luke Skywalker lightsaber card. All right, stay tuned for more videos.